a short video to help you with class subjects. By like subjects, I mean like math, history, etc., as well as some adjectives, and then how masculine and feminine impact, I guess, those verbs or adjectives. Asignaturas means class subjects. So tu asignatura means what class, right? So a lot of these are cognates, cognados, which I don't know if you remember from English class. In other languages, there's words that sound the same across the language. They're not necessarily pronounced the same, but they appear the same. So historia, I'm sure you can imagine or deduce that it's history. Matemáticas, bellas artes, it's fine arts. That's not quite one. Biología, química, ciencias políticas, political science. Química is chemistry. Biología is biology. Psicología is psychology, literatura, and there's other ones we can always look at. But yes, remember that. That'll take you far when it comes to how to kind of maybe think about what or how to remember these. Like, how does it said in English? Is it similar, but it's pronounced differently? Might not be helpful at all. So, días de la semana, which means days of the week, and this is all leading up for us to combine discussing your classes, your schedule, that sort of stuff. So we're talking about the classes and then the days of the week, right? Lunes is Monday, martes, Tuesday, miércoles, Wednesday, jueves, Thursday, viernes, Friday, sábado, Saturday, and domingo is Sunday. So remember to use el when you refer to a one-time or specific instance. Use los to refer to multiple like or regular occurrences, right? So let's say I have a team meeting at work, right? Every Tuesday. So martes. Los martes tengo una junta. I have a meeting on Tuesdays, right? Because it's a regular thing. Whereas like a one-time occurrence could be I voy a una fiesta el viernes, which is I'm going to a party on Friday. It's happening this one Friday, this one specific party, right? So all right, adjetivos. You can't see because my face is in the way, but bajo or alto, which are descriptors, adjectives, short or tall. So adjectives are words that describe people, places, or things. You know this from English, hopefully. So translate that, I guess, the rules in that regard. So el señor es calvo. El calvo es organizado. Mr. Calvo is organized. Organizado, remember cognate. La señora Garcia is muy simpática. Miss Garcia is very nice. So those are adjectives, right? Plural endings are also a thing. Tengo dos clases aburridas y tres profesores despistados. I have 2 boring classes and 3 scatterbrained. I should have broken that up. Scatterbrained professors. Despistados means just kind of scatterbrained, right? Or just kind of like lost or whatever. Aburrida. Clase aburrida means a boring class. Something to note with that is, remember, ser and estar. Yo soy aburrido means I am boring. Yo estoy aburrido means I am bored. So remember those. That's kind of come back to haunt you. You don't want to call yourself something that you're not. Masculine plural endings is used if the plural noun includes both males and females. So if it's a group of mixed gendered, it's very similar to English. They, you all, guys, that sort of stuff. Mis compañeros de clase son simpáticos. So you use the masculine form of it. My classmates are nice. Adjective endings and placement. Let's see here. Effectively, adjectives that express how many or how much, right? Muchos, muchas, pocos, pocas. So muchos, muchas is a lot, masculine or feminine. Pocos, pocas are a few, right? A few, masculine and feminine. and they're placed before nouns. So, for example, hay pocos exámenes. There's very few exams in the clase de arte, in our class. Hay mucha tarea en historia. There's a lot of homework. Tarea ends in an A. This is not a rule, it's more of a guideline. Usually if it ends in an A, it's feminine. So mucha tarea, right? Examen is masculine, poco, examen. So that's how you kind of determine that. Then you look at bueno and malo. You can look at, so when placed before the masculine singular noun, these adjectives drop the final O. So that's something to keep in mind. Mal versus malo, or buen versus bueno. So if it's un buen amigo, because amigo is masculine, it's buen, right? If it was amiga, una buena amiga, as you can see there. So un mal ejemplo, a bad example, unos malos ejemplos, that sort of thing.